Ladies and gentlemen, wanna see wetin train me for abroad. Yes, now. When they say the president train station, wanna see wetin train me for UK. My name is Papa, guys. The most handsome old man. I won the award 4 times back to back like Lionel Messi. Yes, so I must say, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I call for this brief talk, it's gonna be a brief talk. Now the incident wey happen for Edo State railway, Edo State train station wey dey Igwebe. Na that incident wey happen wey kidnapper come enter inside the train station, come begin dey shoot according to the police. Come begin dey shoot people and come kidnap people. Ladies and gentlemen, for some of una wey never hear before, kidnapper go kidnap people for Igwebe. Yes, now people wey wan enter train. I will be sharing some of my insight. So if you feel collect am, you collect am. Put down your barrel. I want to take you across some train stations. No be Sumonti. You understand what I'm saying? So you see where how abroad train station be. Nigeria, there is no security, nothing to account for this life of the citizen. You understand? So everything is working well. You understand? Train station, security, train station, security. People cannot just barge into train station to come and hijack and kidnap people. For nothing where they work for Nigeria. Train station where they built for Nigeria now. Ask how many way camera dey. Where we say the life of the citizen is at stake. The life of the citizen is at stake. See now, well, if una like one and not vote well for better government, you see people that know. You understand what I'm saying? So, see where the train station be. This is train station. Yes, now railway. If anything happen to the citizen, the government have the right to speak and give account of the life of the citizen. Not be like my country, Nigeria, where we say everything has to settle themselves. Yes, now. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria government, the two they use just they play. Yes, now. Nothing, they don't care, and they don't care about your life. Who cares about you? Train station wey me know, supposed to get at least camera. You understand, so? That's first. Then, if you can't value the life of the citizen and the transporters, you can't put security. Security supposed to dey train station because anything can happen in the train station. Our government no, if they don't do it, as fast as they don't get their own for inside, put for back of pocket, they don't know how the thing they go again. First it happened for Abuja last year. We suppose use that one to get sense. Now it come happen again for Igwebe, for Edo State. You dey yes, so now they don't pack all the passengers wey bin wan enter train. They don't pack their comot. In that case, now the government now we suppose ask question. Because for abroad now, no worry, I get one video where I want show una. Una yes, Government not dey abandon people for here. You understand what I'm saying? So everybody, whether you are a citizen or you are not a citizen, your life is important to the government. What the hell? In it? In it? Yes, in it. Now do now just say build now one build train station. Money wey una take build am una go chop am. See when I see the way train station big look at it come o. Una watch this video wey the deputy governor take go carry security people go there. Watch am make you hear wetin he talk. You understand so? Make you hear wetin he talk o. Whether na now they suppose to come dey take security go the place. Watch the video.
The deputy governor reaffirmed the state government's commitment to securing life and properties of residents in the state. He states that government will leave no stone unturned in ensuring the release of passengers that were kidnapped.
What is key is that although it will be too hot for anybody to attempt to do what they tried to do yesterday, we have a well thought out security architecture here. So cannot be a base for terrorists or kidnapper, whatever they call themselves. So we don't want to say too much now, but one thing is that we have relocated to this place, and by the grace of God, until we get resolved, we are not living here.
Some who reacted believe more should have been done in ensuring the safety of passengers using the train station across the country.
If you see what is happening here now, you see that there is more that needed to be done even before now. All these bushes also will be taken back 200 or 500 meters away from the premises of this train station. And I think this urgently has to be done.
Shey una don watch the video? Okay, watch the video of Nigeria Railway chairman. Mona, watch wetin he talk.
We have joining us right now the Managing Director of the Nigerian Railway Corporation, Fidet Ohiria. He joins us on the news at 10. Many thanks, Mr. Ohiria, for joining us on TVC News this hour. The big question many Nigerians are asking about this unpalatable development, talking about the train attack in Edo State, is whether the country has indeed learned any lesson from last March's Abuja-Kaduna train attack. About this unpalatable train attack. Mr. Ohiria, did you get the question? Kindly carry on.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Carry on, please.
We learned a lesson from the last train attack. We learned a lot. And we've deployed some system and improved on our security and physical by improving the number of personnel, vigilante, police, army, and some technology. But we are not there yet, but we have to continue to improve and make sure we get to the required results. The IG deploy more policemen, mobile, and various anti-terrorist team, same civil defense, and we also engage a community watch, vigilante. On the Takbewari, we have engaged local community to protect and also support the security architecture we have in place. So I think we have improved. But there's nothing that cannot be sabotaged, just the will and determination of those who want to sabotage. So also the Nigerian people should also summon up the courage to withstand them and ensure that they are defeated. Thank you.
Right. And about this latest attack, what's been done? What's the latest, first off, as to rescuing the captives, and what reports can you also confirm for us about the number of hostages that have been rescued? What's been done? What's the rescuing?
Okay, on this one, I think I have to give praise to the Edo State government. You saw the deputy governor was there today. And since that incident happened, the commissioner of police has been on top. And the community, I think maybe particularly because I'm from that part of Nigeria, have taken it upon themselves to ensure that these people are rescued in no time. I think God's on our side, the result will be achieved because since yesterday, some people have been in the bush. The commissioner is also there, and the state is providing them the relevant support. And hopefully, the minister will be there tomorrow, and also to see the start of encouragement. But we pray maybe before tomorrow, before the day break, something would have been done, and the people will be rescued. So I think a lot of things have been done to ensure that people are rescued.
Right. In terms of specifics, can you confirm the number of passengers who were kidnapped?
I think, can you come again?
Yes. What is the specific number of passengers that are now or still in captivity?
Now, I've not been able to issue statements on that, but from the information I'm gathering, I think there are about 14 of them that are with the kidnappers. I can say there are about 14. There are about 14 that are with the kidnappers.
Right. And about the reports of certain number of persons who were injured, what's the status on that?
The number of persons that what?
Who were injured as a result of shots fired by the attackers. What's the status on the report of those injured?
I've been asking my manager and the people on ground. Nobody has reported anybody that got injury. The only thing they reported to me was that two, I think they are from the same family, we are moved from Ekeken to Agbo to the railway clinic to take care of them. I think whether the mother ran away or there's among those kidnapped and left them behind. There are little, I think a girl and a boy.
All right. We've seen, yes, we've seen images of the train station. One stark reality, so to speak, is that the train station appears deserted, and one had been wondering what could have been the motive for the people who came to attack. What security apparatus was on ground, around areas or train stations like this that appear deserted?
As I said, the technology that we want to put in place has not been approved, but we have some what would I say, immediate as something we know that can at least provide basic security for our train system. And we have engaged a lot of manpower, physical men, to protect, and the unseen men that should support to provide intelligence from the community has also been engaged. And security now has taken a lot of our operating costs. And we have to make the trade comfortable and convenient and at the same time safe for our teaming customer. So that's what I can say. And it's not, I don't want to say if it happen in A, it should happen in B, but we are trying our best, going beyond our normal responsibility to ensure that Nigerians are protected within the train station and on the track and inside the train. Today we're able to run, but for now, we will not be stopping at the Tomikimi station at the Ekekengwebe. So we will be passing through. We cannot close the station down because if you close the station down, the train cannot pass there. The points and crossing has to be operated and ensure it's safe for train to pass. For the time being, we will not be stopping there till we are sure that everyone is safe for the train to stop.
Managing Director of the Nigerian Railway Corporation, Fidet Okiria, thank you very much for speaking with us on TVC News.
Thank you and appreciate it.
I be for Nigeria if now you be the person where kidnap a person. If you dey hear that kind word near, how e go be for your ear? So there was no security on ground. The only time wey una take need us na when we wan vote. Yes, near. Come on, listen. Come on, all the houses. I no fit count where camera not dey for UK. People house, if you pass people house for front in the morning sef, camera dey look you. If you go near where person car dey, camera dey look you. If you enter inside car near, say you wan do anyhow for cab, camera dey inside cab. If camera fit dey kabu for abroad, why camera no go dey train station where they use billions upon billions do? Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? In it? Oh, how people not go think well? How people not go invent things? Our government, they not get our matter for heart. Yes, there are no plans. They just so they chop people money. After every 4 years, they will come and collect the vote. Then once they not work, anything where they want to do, they believe in their money. See train stations here, see train station. You see this yellow line? As a human being wey get sense, this yellow line na warning. You understand? So they will tell you, say, okay, show this place here. Show it. Mind the step. You understand? So everything, put the camera for my body, everything is accurate. Our train station, now so you go dey see different smoke. Igweben, no security for Igweben. The one wey happen last year, now so they go kidnap some people. They kidnap them here. Nothing where this government not talk. They not still learn. Now those station na it can see happen so. Our politician now, how now take they chop our money? After 4 years or 8 years, you come again with another strategies. Our God person now. Yes, in fact, go enter my body. My run enter us. So, wanna vote in it. Wanna go and collect your PVC.